I got my camera back. It's working fine. I'm so happy and I'm so relieved to have it back. I don't know what it is, but I just really found it hard to vlog with the Osmo Pocket. I think the main problem with it is it's not very easy to put on a tripod, so it's not easy to just position anywhere. Like it has to be on a solid surface, or I need to attach this like 3D printed mold that I bought online to it in order to mount it to a tripod. So it's just another annoying step. Honestly, lately I just haven't been feeling like vlogging or doing very much of anything. This happens when I have my period. Like sometimes I'll just be so physically tired and emotionally drained for like no reason really. Like nothing major happened, but I feel tired and I feel like sad, which makes me not want to vlog, but I'll still keep painting and doing the things that I usually do, but I kind of want to focus on the activity and do it for myself because it makes me feel better, and I don't want to have to think about vlogging in that scenario, so I just didn't. portion of the vlog will not just be everything I ate again.
Stayed in but felt so far away.
Are you ready? What's happening today?
Dancing. What song are we dancing? Fire.
Last night was one big holiday. Cool winds on me out by the shade. Put my weekend on layaway. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days, one big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake. So hold me like an ocean. I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away.
So in case you didn't catch that, yesterday I didn't really vlog much. We went to a hip-hop dance class to learn how to dance Fire by 17 as requested by our resident Carrot. And today we're headed over to watch a Harry Potter orchestra performance. So what's gonna happen is they're gonna show the whole second movie, this Chamber of Secrets, with a live orchestra scoring the movie as you watch it. And then since we're all such big Harry Potter fans, we decided we would check it out. So for our outfits today, we're going in our house colors. Yellow for Hufflepuff. Let me show you what the girls are wearing. Tell us about your outfit and your house.
I'm wearing red for Gryffindor. Gryffindor.
Hi. Okay, so I guess
Hi.
I'm a Slytherin. I just resigned to the fact that I'm always sorted there, so I am Slytherin. So this is my Slytherin bit. Ta-da! It's a snake. And this is my fit.
And the shoes.
Oh, these are SALA Sala. My own design.
Love it.
Thanks.
Thanks. It's very. What is it? What's the thing that they were saying? The Oppenheimer Barbie because it's black and pink.
Oh,
Barbenheimer.
That's Barbenheimer.
Barbenheimer. You love it?
So this is my outfit. Hufflepuff represent. I have my little collegiate look with yellow accents, yellow tie, yellow watch, yellow bag. Ta-da! We're ready for Harry Potter.
Go back.
Oh. Here you go.
There. Yay. Go Hufflepuff.
Simple, simple. See you.
No way to change, no way to change our yesterday. No way to change, no way to change our yesterday.
Hi, girls.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, there. It found our faces.
Oh, hi.
Magandang tanghali. Good afternoon. And welcome to Harry Potter in Concerts.
Mr. Malfoy. Mr. Malfoy. I have to hurry.